Hello, my name is Andrés Pereira Paz. I'm a visual artist. I live between Mexico City and Berlin, Germany. I work in many fields. I feel like I like to attack art from different places. Therefore, my practice is not based necessarily in a medium, it's much more intuitive and goes from installation to sculpture to textile to drawing and many other medias I try to work with in order to attack art from different places. For the Denver Art Museum exhibition, I am doing a work called The US as a Spaceship, understanding the abstraction the US can be for South Americans in terms of all the content that has been brought to and distributed throughout mostly cable TV or even TV and screens. And in a way, the US, understanding the US as a spaceship that lands in different places and builds subjectivity. My practice can be inspired by many different things. It can start with a simple idea, can come from art history, can come from a personal history, and can be like, I like to think about it as cooking. It can have different spices and different cooking times. Therefore, like I guess as an artist, for me, it's really important that the personal questions that one has are the ones that give shape and inform what I'm doing. The US is this thing that can be on the moon and that can see the world and therefore develop sort of imperialistic vision on top of the other countries, no? And how that process has ended up in many traumas for Latin Americans in a way, no?